Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video on the View into Huck's World. And yes, people, welcome to Fun Day Sunday. Now listen up, I gotta go to work, but the reviews must go on. So we got a nice lineup throughout the day for you guys. And you gotta keep in mind that we're getting you ready for the work week, not to hit the town on a Monday afternoon. All right, with that being said, the name of the watch face is called MWF010. Now, I thought the developer really got down on this one. It's gonna be a casual watch face. Remember, we're getting ready for the work week. Can you get away with dressing up with this? Super casual for the most part, yes, you can. Now, I thought this was an awesome look. Even in the AOD mode, you're gonna be looking good. And once the watch face is on, what really stands out besides the index, and I really like the way the index look, this video isn't gonna do it justice, so make sure you go check this out. Download it. You don't like it, undownload it. But this index looks beautiful. Now the hands also look nice as well. Very stylish. Has a premium look to it as well. Now I like the color that's at the tip of it, but the tip of the second hand glows. It really looks nice. The video isn't going to do it justice, people. Check it out for yourself. Now what you're going to get your heart rate information at the top. To the right, you're going to get your traditional date and the day of the week. And to the left in that dial, you're going to get information on your steps, calories burned, and miles walked or ran. And of course, we got to give you your heart rate. Now, I do like the theme, the subtle theme in the background, kind of give the watch face a little flavor for the most part. And it is interactive to a degree. So if I double tap right here, I can bring up my calendar, set an event. But if I want to customize the color theme, all I got to do is double tap on certain parts of the screen, and I can change the color of the index. And of course, you get your battery percentage as well too. But this is nice. I thought this was very nice. You get a few colors and all. The developer did a really good job with this one. But at the end of the day, people, it is totally up to you and what you think about this watch face. So hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts. And I'm going to see you all at the next video. That's going to be after you hit the like button on the way out. Yes, I said hit the like button on the way out and subscribe to the channel. And I'm going to see you all again at the next video. Enjoy your Fun Day Sunday.